Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You didn't make it.
I didn't make it. What we have, my love?
It's weekday, and the weekdays I cook, okay? So today we got fried barbecue salmon.
Mmm.
You know what I'm saying? But this ain't any barbecue. You already know from the last video, you already know what kind of barbecue it is already. Alright?
What kind of barbecue it is?
You gotta get them the NYC barbecue sauce, you feel me? So that's what I did today, you know? Something light, something easy, and something simple. Get in peace. Take peace.
Hold on.
You know,
I'm gonna show you guys the whole fish.
show them the whole fish, girl.
The whole fish.
The whole fish.
The whole
Look at
fish.
that. Look at that.
You know what it reminds me of? This is good.
Good? So you gave them some already and you already showed them, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know what this reminds me of, Tom?
What?
This reminds me of, this is not pork, but it reminds me of how the pork, the spare rib tips at the Chinese shop look. And you made broccoli?
And I made broccoli. You know, gotta eat your veggies. Health is wealth, you know. I got some green onions, you know. Green onions. Green pepper, red pepper, and onion. And we gotta go to broccoli. You know, I'm drinking this RX, you know. Energy drink, you know. Long week.
Excuse me.
Check out my ice cube, family.
That big ass ice cube.
Yeah.
I'm drinking a coconut water. That's how it looks with no pieces.
It's from the dollar store.
Oh, Miss Sonia don't like these.
It's from the dollar store, okay?
Miss Sonia, we know you don't like these.
Alright, let's see what's going on. Cheap and clean meal.
So remember yesterday I told you guys that I know if I eat anything 2 times spicy sauce, I'm gonna... This morning it was on like popcorn.
First day it was messed up.
And here I am eating it again.
Don't learn your lesson.
I don't learn my lesson. I really don't.
I'm quiet today. Enjoy it.
Your broccoli crunchy.
Nice, right?
Real good.
Crunchy. We don't want it too soft, you know?
This is really good.
Thank you. Oh, I had more sauce in the thing, you know?
You did?
In the tray, yeah, in the pan. In the pot.
I don't know. We're gonna eat for a little bit. We're hungry. I'm hungry. We're too hungry.
Wow. This is beautiful. She's enjoying it.
Good.
I see her try to sneak my stuff away. Think I didn't see her? Yes, it's easy. I told you, very easy. Very easy. Yeah. Just glistening. Broccoli, man. Look at that steam. I know y'all can't see it, but look.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna eat first because I'm hungry.
Eat.
And then y'all first.
First day you're hungry, so you know what that means. So you're gonna finish all that food. How's the broccoli? Is the vegetable season good?
That's crunchy. Let me tell you something. To come home from a long day at work,
I know you don't got time, right?
and your hubby cooked, I don't have to worry about what we're gonna eat, what we're gonna cook.
I need some more sauce.
That's a win in my book.
Mama! Mama!
this morning, thank God I had my cabbage and bullet beef for all the yardies up.
I'm not cutting you first.
Wow.
I just want to show them that.
I had to stop.
That awesomeness, I know.
I had to stop.
I just want to show them awesomeness. Look at that. Okay, alright. You don't want none of your rice, right? Okay, good. Continue.
I had made some cabbage and bullet beef, and I ate that with some hardo bread for breakfast. Thank God I did, because I didn't get a chance to eat today. And when I say eat, I don't mean a big meal. My husband had cut me up some mango slices, so I was going to eat that for lunch. It wasn't nothing big, but still, something to hold me till I get home. But it's okay.
You eat now. I like when you're hungry because I know your food gonna be done.
I'm always done.
I can't agree to that. Family member said no first lady. Your food is not always done.
Well, I always eat until I'm full.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was gonna say.
So to me, it's done.
Eat till you're full. Once you're full, that's it. Damn. Bussin'. I know y'all can see it. It is.
That's really good. Really, 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 really good.
Where my salmon lovers at? You saw the onions? You see, I had to bring back the RFC. But the drumsticks, huh?
The RFC was
family.
good.
Again, don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? When you come over here, we do what we feel. Okay? This is our channel. We do what we feel over here. Okay? So all I'm just letting you know.
We don't worry about fashion.
We're not trying to sugarcoat nothing. We do what we want over here. This is our channel. You know what I'm saying? So on that note, if you like what you see, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see some food, let us know. Again, I don't eat pork. If you're new, I do not eat pork. But first they eat pork. So if you want to see something, comment down. If we could afford it, don't go OD now, because some of these stuff we can't afford. We broke.
Well, wait. Some people are saying that oxtail is still expensive for them.
Right over here. Because you know why? We got our own cow. I finally found my cow, family.
But oxtail,
yeah,
like $10 a pound.
Yeah, I saw the comment.
Yeah, before it was like $13 a pound. The cheapest I've ever seen it before the pandemic was like, I think, $8 a pound. So it's going down.
Yep.
Before I can buy 3 pounds of oxtail, because that's how much I usually buy, for like $25.
Yeah.
After the pandemic, 3 pounds was like $50, $60. That is a big difference.
Yeah, you jump.
Very, very big difference.
This RX work.
Yeah?
It will keep you up. Family, do you ever try this? It keeps you up.
So you gonna stay up tonight?
Stay up, man. Try to sleep, man. You know.
At least you know when you stay up, you know what you're doing.
Well, what are you doing?
You know what you're doing.
Don't listen. Don't listen. You didn't hear. That's for me and First Lady.
Saying that right now.
Me and First Lady, my unit. Damn, this is good. Wow, you ain't play with this stuff. You like him. Samuel, just a little while ago, First Lady sit down. She couldn't even sit on the seat good. Our boy couldn't fit the seat.
Because my butt is fat.
Yes. Wow. It go hard. And it's fried good, not too dry. You know?
Everything you say, Tom. You just can't chat too much when I'm hungry.
Definitely, definitely. Birthday coming up, dog. I'm not gonna stop saying it. Don't forget to subscribe to my TikTok. Richie OG. You know what I'm saying?
TikTok.
Follow me,
TikTok.
Richie OG.
TikTok.
Follow me, you know? You know what I'm saying? My Instagram is first say Instagram. That's true. Yo.
It's a greedy couple.
This is good. As hell. You don't know my broccoli?
Yeah, I have to get another piece.
Yeah, could take a piece of broccoli, you know? Eat what you want. When you give me food, you just give me food so you can have some of my food.
But first of all, I barely give you food. You take my food.
No, you say you're full. I don't say you're full. The difference is that when you say you're full, that's my time. Okay?
That's your time to shine. When I say I'm full?
Yeah, when you say you're full, it's my time.
Nothing now waste, nothing now dash away.
Yeah.
Alright. That means nothing's not wasted and I'm not throwing anything away. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash away. Alright.
Yo.
Oh!
Yo, family! Yeah, I don't even see what's new. I'm eating slow. Come on now. Look at that. Before this food up done. You didn't even see that. When I eat fast, I said I don't eat. I eat fast. I got a what you call it? Metabolism. What kind of metabolism I got?
Fast metabolism.
When I eat my food slow, I don't see. Come on now. Give me a round of applause. You full?
This part right here. Oops. Excuse me. At the end, it's crispy. And then the sauce is like
soaked in.
Soaked in. That was a good piece, I bet.
Very good. Only if y'all could taste it.
Only
if y'all could taste it.
I'm telling you, this reminds me of the spare rib tips.
That's how it look for real.
That's exactly how it looks. And I always wondered, how did they get it like that? You see, you can even see the caramelization. It's really good. It's really, really good. How long it took you to make it? Because I wasn't home when he made it.
Seriously? You make all of this?
As long?
I gotta say about an hour.
Not bad.
I know salmon easy fry.
And for the working mother out there or father who have kids, invest in a rice cooker. Okay? It's like $20. It's the best thing. Put the rice on and forget it.
Over with.
Especially white rice, right? If you're making rice and peas, that's a different story. But white rice, throw it in a rice cooker. That's what we do.
Yep.
It's the best. And you gotta have that jasmine rice, y'all.
No jasmine rice.
Oh, you gotta have that Chinese rice, y'all.
You gotta have the jasmine rice. So again, we appreciate every single one of y'all. You know what I'm saying? And we also see every comment. Okay? Appreciate y'all for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? Family members and the viewers. You know what I'm saying? So we just want everybody to combine to one.
Yeah.
Stop being a viewer and just subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
It's free.
It's free. Wow.
What?
You know, to be honest,
You still hungry?
I gotta eat some more.
I'm still hungry. But you're not getting none of mine.
I want you to eat your food.
You're not getting none of mine, Tom.
I mean, I gotta eat some more. When I eat slow, I tend to not be full. Wow. Look at that. This is good. This sauce going on everything, son. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't capping. Everything. Watch when I make the jerk chicken with some festival. Comment down what y'all want to see again. Let us know.
But wait.
Or inbox us on the Greedy Couple and let us know. Yeah.
Tell us what you want us to make on that grill.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's it. Let us know. If you want to see it, We will do it. Damn. Salmon flaky. Wow. Cool. Enjoy your food.
So good.
I really enjoy your food. I'm gonna do a good job.
Yeah. You always do a good job.
That's what I want you to say. I was waiting. Family, that was busting. Respectfully, right, First Lady? Watch you eat now. I like to watch you eat now. Just like you like to watch me eat, I like to watch you eat.
You make me nervous.
Eat. Eat your food. So what's up, man? We're watching First Lady, that's right. All eyes on First Lady.
No.
Only the ladies. Okay now. I gotta put a disclaimer out here.
You ever be driving by yourself and you can cut the corners and drive crazy, and as soon as somebody come in the car with you, you're all timid, you're nervous? That's how I feel.
Listen, you should have given her the story.
What story?
About the other day.
I'm not telling my business.
Okay.
I'm not telling my business.
Okay.
What story, Tom?
I'm like, go and take off your clothes in your eye.
Oh.
First Lady got a story for y'all ladies. And if y'all can relate, she ain't gonna do it now. Probably tomorrow. So if y'all this far, if y'all reach this far, I want to hear y'all say, story time, First Lady. Let me see if y'all reach this far. Because First Lady have a brilliant story to tell y'all.
You always want me to tell stories.
No, that's a good story. Cause
you
because, no, you know why? No, you know why? Because the ladies them can relate. So if y'all reach this far, comment down story time. Let's see. Not y'all missed out.
You're lucky you're cute. You're lucky so you're cute.
Not nowhere. But yeah, that was a good story. The ladies I'm gonna relate. They gonna say they go through that all the time. Wow.
But they shouldn't.
You got one thing left. Your onion.
They shouldn't.
Wipe it in the gravy. Girl.
They shouldn't go through that all the time.
Okay, don't y'all get into much of that story now.
Wipe me off.
There you go. Wow, look at that. You came, you saw, and we conquered.
Ooh.
So now I got a word for y'all.
That onion was good.
I know. Nice and sizzled.
And sweet.
Oh gosh. Gotta make it sweet for you. Wow. Okay. First Lady, listen, okay? Family. Everybody listen. Viewers, subscribers, and family members, listen up. Alright. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon.
Ooh.
They shine when it's their time.
So freaking true.
You like that one?
Yeah, man, you don't look at me like that now.
Yeah.
Don't look at me like that. You know what that does.
That thing might be babies in this. All right.
No babies.
Family, did you listen? Did you hear that one? Real talk. Did you hear that one? Didn't they hear First Lady?
They heard, but
say it again.
They need to hear it again.
All right, ladies, everybody, listen up. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. Remember that. They shine when it's their time. All right? Just remember that, everybody. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie. And this is Shanice, a.k.a. First Lady. And this is the...
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.
Don't forget...